Hello, welcome to the introduction of our Sparkle Christmas kit, which we've really thought about how we add extra pleasure to your skincare rituals and really improve the outcome of the skin, particularly on the neck and the chest and the under eye area, where the skin can be quite thin and not really get treated perhaps as carefully and as kindly as we do the rest of us. The kit contains a super sparkly ice globe, which is brilliant at improving lymphatic drainage and also helps increase the absorption of your products. Just the coolness of it actually feels really, really nice at the end of a day when you're feeling really tired. Eye patches, really designed to help the puffiness and crepiness of the under eye area. They again feel lovely if you keep them in the fridge. They contain a really contemporary peptide called Matrixyl Synth 6, which helps boost the turnover of cells and increase collagen formation, along with a sea of antioxidants to try and protect the under eye area. And then a good old size 60ml, this way up, 60ml tube of neck and décolleté cream, which contains two different types of acid to promote exfoliation, which helps skin turnover, and also minimize pigment. It also contains 0.25% retinol, which of course is the holy grail of anti-aging and really designed to help those cells build more collagen inside and keep skin turnover at a rate that's much more normal for a younger person, because we all know, of course, our collagen rates production is reducing as we get older, as does the skin turnover, which gives us that really grey kind of dull skin effect. So 3 amazing things to help boost your normal evening skin routine. So if you start your evening skin routine now, we'll show you how to use them. So you don't need a lot of the neck and décolleté cream to put on, probably a good size pea amount there. I'm going to put the bulk of it onto my chest, which of course you would have washed if you were at home, but I'm wearing my sparkly top and I can't do that in here. And then bring the last of it up the neck. I know Mika's been using this on her face because she's been struggling a little bit getting used to her face retinol, because the Illumia products are potent, the outcomes are amazing. So she's using this as part of her getting used to the skincare routine. And that's that. And then the eye patches, which you would put on after you've done the rest of your evening skincare, come like that. Very clear gel, and they just need to be popped on for really as long as you can. So you can either indulge yourself as you're running around the house getting ready for Christmas, or you can pop them on when you go to sleep, when you're feeling really tired, and let them cool the under eye area. They are lovely if you keep them in the fridge. They do feel extra cool. And Amika's going to show you how to use the ice globe.
So all you're going to do is just use it over the skin, nice and gently, and you're just going to work your way along the face. It feels amazing. And you just want to really just drain it all out. Obviously doing it over a lovely serum is going to really improve that movement as well. And you can do this for as long as you like, really. You'll feel it start to warm up as it absorbs the heat of your face. Oh. And you just pop it over. The hard point is knowing when to stop, because it just feels so lovely. Any areas that you get frown marks or expression lines, just spend a little bit of extra time on those areas.
So once you've done with your massage and you've enjoyed how relaxing it is, we hope you really enjoy your Sparkle kits. And if you don't enjoy using them for massage, you can always use them as a microphone for karaoke. Happy Christmas!